Number 14, the rectangular model is made up of squares. Each square is of equal size. What percentage of the model is shaded? Whenever we work with a model like this, unless it's 100, we're going to have to do some different types of calculations here. But what we need to figure out is if we want to find a percent of the whole, we have to find out what is the whole. How many total squares do we have here? And we're just going to use some geometry. Since this is a rectangle, we're going to do length times width. So we have a 10 by 8. So we know the area of this total shape now is 80. Now we can just kind of look through and see we have 36 shaded in here. So we take the 36. Now we just got to figure out if 100, let's use partial percentages. So 100% of 80 is 80. 10% is 8 and 1% is 8/10. So we know that 36 are shaded, so let's use these partial percentages and try to figure out what percent of this whole is shaded. So let's look at 10%. So we know 10% is 8. So let's see how many 8s we can actually get to 36. It looks like we have 4 because 8 times 4 is 32. Remember, we're trying to find 36, so it looks like we have 4 left to account for in this. So if we have 4 left, then we just look at the halves. So if we know that 10% is 8, then 4 is half of 8, so 4 needs to represent 5%. So when we add those all up, we should have 36 is what we're looking for. Now we just got to take our percent table and add those together. It looks like we've got 45%. Using those partial percentages is a really easy way to get close or exact, and we don't have to do some crazy algorithms with multiplication with decimals. Especially if that's hard for you, this might be a little bit easier. So what percentage of the model is shaded? C, 45%.